everyone, I hope you all are doing really well, and if you have given September attempt just like me, I hope you all are taking good break. So, in a summarized way, I'll be sharing with you guys कि इन 3 पेपर में मैंने क्या किया है, इनको पढ़ने के बाद मेरे को कैसा लगा और क्या मैं इनमें पास होना एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ कि नहीं. Okay, so I'm gonna change the order. क्यों ना हम सबसे पहले लॉ की बात करें. Okay, so सबसे पहले तो this, then this, and then this. I took 1 hour just for solving MCQs, जिसमें से भी वो जो लास्ट वाला MCQ था, I don't know, नंबरिंग चेंज होती है, वो जो जनरल क्लॉजेस वाला MCQ था, वो मैंने बिना पढ़े सॉल्व किया है. उसके जितने भी क्वेश्चंस थे, केस स्टडी में एक लाइन पढ़ी उस स्टोरी की, दूसरी लाइन पढ़ना शुरू किया, एंड देन वी फॉरगेट द फर्स्ट लाइन व्हाट वी हैड रेड बिकॉज अ न्यू स्टोरी बिगिंस विद द सेकंड लाइन. आई मीन मे बी शायद मेरी प्रिपरेशन कम होगी, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट वुड हैव हैपेंड. बट एक सेकेंड, एमा वाला क्वेश्चन था in which there were 3, 4, 5 the parents and their children और दूसरे जो भी investors थे, जितने भी लोग थे. The question number, I don't know the specific question number, but जिसमें जॉन और क्रिस्टोफर का इन्वेस्टमेंट पूछा है कि कैन दे इन्वेस्ट द सर्टेन अमाउंट्स, बट मिस्टर क्रिस्टोफर के इन्वेस्टमेंट का अमाउंट ही नहीं दे रखा. Amount was required to check the limit of that 1% of past 3 years की earning. तो उसको चेक करने के लिए we needed the investment amount, but it was not given. मैंने तो ये D वाला आंसर टिक कर दिया था बेसिकली कि मिस्टर जॉन इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकता है, नो सॉरी, मिस्टर जॉन नहीं कर सकता इन्वेस्टमेंट, और मिस्टर क्रिस्टोफर ही कैन डोनेट अ ईयर सैलरी ओनली आफ्टर टेकिंग प्रायर अप्रूवल फ्रॉम RBI. The thing is that even after dedicating 1 hour to MCQ, I did not feel satisfied that okay, my answers are correct or I have correctly read the case studies and everything. So 1 hour was, I think, शायद मैं MCQ शायद मैं descriptive में लगा देती. Now the descriptive part for me was not too difficult, not too easy for me. शायद मेरी preparation और ज़्यादा better होती तो the descriptive handled descriptive part in a better way. MCQs made me doubt myself. In my previous attempt, I scored 56 in my law. Now for this attempt, September attempt, I made sure that I put more efforts as compared to my previous attempt. Very honest, I did not leave even a single chapter for this September attempt. For normal circumstances, like if you are covering more chapters, putting more efforts than before, then your marks will improvise or increase. But I can see like 56 is a very far thing, बहुत दूर की बात है. Even if I get just 50, I would be really very happy. Okay, so this was how my law paper went. Now coming towards accounts, to be very honest, I felt that the questions were easy. I cannot rant about this thing that paper was lengthy and so because it has now become a common thing. Now paper for advanced accounts is expected to be lengthy only, nothing else. So I think there's no sense of discussing about the length of the paper. मेरी writing speed थोड़ी सी और ज़्यादा होती तो शायद और better होता. क्या मेरा पेपर छूटा था? Obviously, I mean, I'm not proud every time while I say that हाँ पेपर तो छूटता ही हमेशा, but I don't know, पेपर हमेशा छूटता है. And MCQs were easy for me. So overall it was a good paper. अगर कम मार्क्स आएंगे तो वो मेरी ही प्रिपरेशन की कमी की वजह से आएंगे. Now moving towards taxation, I felt MCQs were not too easy but also not too difficult. Talking about the descriptive portion, I don't know if my views would match with yours, but मुझे ऐसा लगा that this time the GST part was more difficult than the direct tax part. I don't know why I found it more difficult, even after the fact that I like GST more than direct tax and GST is my strength. But still, this time I attempted direct tax paper really well, but I left few questions in indirect tax because I felt it was a bit too difficult for me, or maybe my preparation was not up to that level. So yeah. Okay, in accounts and taxation, I cannot expect marks. Okay, marks you can expect only अगर पेपर बहुत अच्छा गया हो या बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदा गया हो. मेरा taxation and accounts में as such ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है, but definitely in law I can expect, मतलब I'm really scared for law. I'm just wishing for 50, मुझे उससे ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. Can't predict my marks for law. At last, if I have to rank the papers on the basis of difficulty level according to me, then I would say first is going to be law, second taxation and third accounts. So that's it. We'll see जब result आता है तो क्या रहता है. Thank you for watching my video and all the best for the results.